What's up guys, back with another video, and this time it's the start of our drift series.
You already know. So we're gonna show you how to drift, and so the first thing that we want to show you is counter steer, which is something that you need to be very accustomed to if you're going to be sliding around. And so what we're gonna show you is to like drive around in a circle and get the car to like step over, and getting comfortable with turning the wheel the opposite way so you can catch the drift or whatever.
Yeah, and we're about to show you how to do that inside this car. We're going to show you an inside POV and then outside POV.
Yeah.
And if you don't know how to drive stick shift, that's a whole nother problem, and you should check out our how to drive stick shift series.
Yeah,
before you
it all culminates into this.
Facts.
And if you don't have a rear wheel drive car, then it sucks for you.
Yeah, you can pull the handbrake like mad hard if you go 60. But so now that we're in the car, I'm actually going to up the ISO. All right, now that the ISO is open or up and we're in the car, Man's about to explain what he's about to do.
So I'm just gonna start driving in a somewhat tight circle, and then I'm just gonna give it some more gas while like turning in. And then the rear of it will come around, and then depending on which car you have, you could just let the steering wheel go. It'll come back around the other way. Or if you have like a Mustang or something where it doesn't counter steer very well, you're gonna have to turn it back the other way yourself. So first I'm gonna show you what happens if you don't counter steer. So I'm just driving in a circle. I'm gonna like turn in and give it some gas. And so we just spun out.
And almost stalled if you didn't put the clutch in.
Yeah, and we almost stalled. So that's because I didn't counter steer and I held the wheel there. But now I'm gonna let the car just do it by itself. And you can see it's like coming back around. I'm gonna turn it around again. See, it's like almost drifting by itself.
Almost.
And so that's what you want to do.
Yep. So I know y'all saw the wheel spinning by itself when he accelerated in.
Yeah. I'll do it one more time from the inside. This is like super basic, just to like feel it out.
All right.
Yeah.
So this is what it looks like on the outside. So that is the basics, but to actually drift, you're gonna want to catch that wheel.
You already know. Are we doing that in this video?
You'll learn that in the next video. We just wanted to show you what counter steering was.
Yeah, so just get used to that RQ, and then you'll be chilling.
Yep. So hopefully you all learned something in this little segment of how to drift.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see you in the next.